We're here in Miami Beach at the beautiful Eden Rock Hotel. In just a few minutes, the room that we're in is going to fill up with over 400 executives from the power and communications industry. They've brought me down here to open up their conference with my signature keynote, TipJar Culture. In the communications industry, it's expected that 50% of new employees wind up turning over. What we're really good at doing in the business world is overcomplicating simple things. Now at the piano bar, we had a really easy way to uncomplicate this whole rigmarole of, what do you do? When do I clap? What do I write down? How much do I tip? When should I drink? What happens? This. The problem we have to contend with is not an engagement problem, it's an experience problem. It's creating an experience that the people you employ want to engage with. How do I know how to fit in to the organization? How do I know how to bring me to the work that I do? Not just do it safely, do it properly, do it cost effectively. How do I bring some of me into the work?
Sweet Caroline. Give yourselves a round of applause. That was incredible.
These questions are all central to the experience of employment, and they're part of what we're going to talk about in this program.